So in an air standard diesel cycle, compression starts at 100 kPa and 300 K. Yung compression ratio given is 16 to 1. So ibig sabihin ng RTM is 16. The maximum temperature is 2031. So that is the temperature of combustion. So that is T3. 2031 degrees Kelvin. Okay, you determine the cycle efficiency. Ako naman, mas maiging dinodrawing yung cycle. Okay. So, I have to draw yung diesel cycle. So, yung PV diagram niya, kailangan alam mo din, drawing mo. So, that is, okay. Yan. Tapos, B. Okay, ang point 1 mo is here. Diyan ang point 1. Yung point 2. Yung point 3. Then point 4. I-trace natin. So point 1, yan yung isentropic compression. Point 2 to 3, that is yung constant pressure heat addition. So nasa 3 yung pinakamataas na temperature of combustion. And then 3 to 4, that is isentropic expansion of gases and then heat rejection after nyan. Babalik ka lang dun sa initial. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I-label mo lahat. So you have 1 as P1 mo. Point 1. P1 is equal to 100 kPa. 1 bar yan. P1 is equal to 300 K. Tapos, yung 3 is maximum temperature of combustion, T3 is 2031 K. Yan. Tapos, RK is given na. So, ano ba ang efficiency ng diesel cycle? For diesel cycle, para rin yung auto. So, 1 minus 1 divided by RK raised to K minus 1. You just have to multiply it with this. Yung RC, kapag nasa taas din yung K. Yan. Minus 1. Kapag nasa baba, ibaba mo rin yung K. Then multiply it with RC minus 1. Walang binigay dyan na cut-off ratio. Okay? Paano mo makuha yung RC? Diba? Paano makuha yung RC? Saan mo makuha yung cut-off dyan? So, the cut-off is at 0.2 to 3. So, 0.2 to 3. Ano bang condition dito? This is constant pressure. So, ibig sabihin, this is V1 or rather V2 divided by T2 equal to V3 over T3. Yung cut-off ratio is the ratio between yung mataas na volume dun sa maliit na volume. Okay? RC is equal to, ano ba yung mas mataas na volume dyan? I bet yung and then yung 2, pinakamababa kasi yan, minimum eh. Yan, linawan ko lang ha. So, V2 divided by V3. Or, baliktad. Mas mataas pa lang volume. So, V3 divided by V2. Ayan. So, meron ka bang V2 and V3 dyan? Wala. Meron ba akong T3? Yes, meron kang given na T3 dyan. So, yung ratio ng T3 and T2. Yung T2, pwede mong masolve yan using yung point 1 mo. Okay? Yung T3, check, meron ako. T2 ang wala. T2 coming from point 1. So T2 is equal to isentropic relationships T1 multiply to yung kaninang ginamit ko, RK raised to K minus 1. This is air standard. So I think K is 1.4. Okay, so T1 mo is 300. Hindi ako nagkakamali. 300. And then, multiply it with yung RK na ibinigay sa'yo, 16 to 1, will be 16. And then, multiply natin siya na 1, raise natin ng 1.4 minus 1. Yan na. So, masosolve ko na agad yung T1. So, 300, okay, 300 multiplied to 16, raise ko ng 0.4. So, the answer is 909.4299. Degrees Kelvin. Ay, meron na akong T2. So, RC is solvable na. So, T3 is 5,000 divided by 909 or mga 904. Kasi natin sulat 909.4299. Okay? So, solve natin. 5,000 divided by 909.4299. 5.4979. Yan yung ating RC. Okay? So, pwede ko nang gamitin dito sa formulang ito. Let me copy first. Yan. So, E. Laso natin siya. Paste ko dito. Yan. Hindi ko na isusulat ulit. So, lagyan natin ng equal sign. So, E is equal to 1 minus 1 over 16 raised to 1.4 minus 1. Then, multiply ko ito ng RC. That is 5.4979 raised to 1.4 and then minus 1. Tapos, multiply ko siya ng 1.4. Multiply ko naman ng 5.4979 minus 1. Ayan na yung kanyang efficiency. Ay, hindi pala 5,000 to. May mali ako. So, namalikmata ako, 2031. So, pwede natin baguhin to. 2031. Yan. Okay, minsan na mamalikmata ako. Sa dami ng sinosolve niya. So, let us resolve this one. Para ipapasok natin yung value. Okay, balik tayo sa calculator. 2031. 2.2333. Tatlong 3. 2.2333. Yan. Palitan ko na dito. Bilis lang naman yung palitan. 2.2333. 2.2333. Ayan. So, E. Solve na natin yung E. I do prefer sometimes, isinusolve ko muna yung nasa loob ng bracket. Tapos, i-save ko siya sa isang alphabet dito. Look at what I will do. So, 2.2333. Raise natin ng 1.4. And then, minus 1. Okay. Divide natin ng 1.4 times 2.2333 minus 1. Don't forget yung parentheses. So, 1.2. I-save ko muna siya kay A. Yan. So, tapos solve ko na yun nandito. Okay? 1 divided by 16 raised to 0.4. Yan. So, i-save ko din siya dito kay B. So, 1 minus, recall natin yung value kay A, tapos recall natin yung kay B. So, the efficiency now is 60, 0.6026. Okay? Basic yan. That is the efficiency of the diesel cycle.